At Mothers, we're driven by the same passions you are. Fueled by more than 50 years of determination, purpose, and innovation. We're driven by the details, the finish, the shine, the personal style. We're driven by the open roads, the epic adventures, the simple joys. We're driven to scrub away the ordinary, to reveal the pristine. We do it because our vehicles reflect who we are, and because no matter what we drive or what drives us, we're driven to take care of it. Give it that mother's love.